Manus, new Chinese AI super agent update is insane. Today I'm going to show you the most insane AI update I've ever seen. Manus just dropped a feature that uses over 100 AI agents working together. This thing can monitor every single launch and trend while you sleep. It's not just another chatbot. This is actually scary good. And it's completely free to start. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Look, I've tested every AI tool out there. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all of them. But what I'm about to show you is different. This isn't just another AI that gives you text. This thing actually does the work for you. So what is Manus? It's the world's first fully autonomous AI agent. And I mean fully autonomous. This thing has its own computer. It can browse the web, it can write code, it can build entire websites, and it never stops working. Here's an example prompt you can try right now for wide research. Research the top 50 MBA programs worldwide. Include rankings, tuition costs, admission requirements, average starting salaries, and notable alumni. Create a comprehensive comparison table and provide analysis on ROI for each program. One AI agent would take hours. This thing deploys 100 agents and can finish in 20 minutes with a 50-page detailed report. But here's the part that made my jaw drop. Each agent wasn't just doing one small task. Each agent was a full Manus system. That means each one could browse websites, read documents, analyze data, and write reports, all 100 of them working together. OpenAI has deep research. Google has their version. But nobody has 100 agents working together like this. This is next level. The second update is even more powerful. It's called scheduled tasks. This is where Manus becomes your 24/7 business partner. You know how exhausting it is to keep track of every launch, every update, every trend in your industry? That stops today. With scheduled tasks, you can tell Manus to monitor anything: new product launches in your space, competitor updates, industry trends, news about your clients, anything. Here's how it works. You set up the task once, Manus runs it every day, every week, whatever you want. You wake up to a detailed report on everything that happened while you slept. Here's an example prompt you can try for scheduled tasks. Monitor all AI tool launches and updates daily, track new features from OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, and emerging startups, include pricing changes, new capabilities, and user feedback. Deliver a daily summary report each morning at 8 a.m. with analysis of how each update impacts the AI landscape. Every morning, you get a report with every new AI tool, every update, every trend. It's like having a personal research team working around the clock. And here's the crazy part. This isn't some basic monitoring. Manus actually reads the content, analyzes it, and gives you insights. It tells you why each update matters for your business. One more thing that's huge. Anyone can sign up right now. They have a free plan with 300 daily credits. You can start using this today. Let me show you why this matters for your business. Most people are spending hours every day on tasks that Manus can do better. Research, writing, analysis, monitoring, all of that can run automatically. Business owners are using Manus for their agencies to monitor all their clients' competitors. It tracks industry trends. It even writes weekly reports. This could save you 10 hours every week. That's 40 hours every month. That's like getting an extra week every month. But you need to know this. Manus runs on Chinese infrastructure. Some people worry about that. But here's the thing. They're legally registered in Singapore. They follow global data laws. And honestly, every major tech company collects data. At least Manus is transparent about it. The results speak for themselves. MIT Technology Review tested Manus. They said it performs like a highly intelligent intern. Bloomberg called it a challenger to OpenAI. This isn't hype. This is real. And the timing is perfect. Most businesses are drowning in information. New tools launching every day, trends changing every week, markets shifting constantly. You can't keep up manually anymore. Manus solves this. Set it up once, let it run forever, wake up informed every day. Here's something most people don't understand. This isn't just about saving time. This is about competitive advantage. While your competitors are manually tracking everything, you'll have 100 AI agents working for you. Now let me tell you about the business applications. This goes way beyond simple tasks. E-commerce businesses can monitor competitor pricing every day. Content creators can track trending topics in their niche. Agencies can automate client reporting. The possibilities are endless. One user built a complete HR management system using Manus. Another created a 721-page legal research tool. A teacher developed an interactive course with video presentations. These aren't simple tasks. These are complex projects that would take weeks manually. And the cost? It's ridiculously cheap compared to hiring humans. The Pro plan is $199 per month. That gets you 10 concurrent tasks, 10 scheduled tasks, and 19,900 credits. One human researcher costs more than that per day. If you want to see what scaling with AI looks like, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where the smartest business owners are learning to use AI to grow faster and save hundreds of hours with automation. We currently have 1,000 members, and the results they're getting are insane. But back to Manus. The wide research feature is already live for pro users. Schedule tasks is rolling out to everyone. If you're not using this, you're falling behind. Here's what I recommend. Start with the free plan. Set up one scheduled task to monitor your industry. See how detailed the reports are, then upgrade when you're ready to scale. The future is AI agents working for you while you sleep. Manus is making that future available today. Most AI tools are still in the suggestion phase. They give you ideas and you do the work. Manus is in the execution phase. You give it the goal and it does everything. Think about it. While you're sleeping, Manus could be researching your next product launch, writing your content calendar, analyzing your competitors, building your next funnel, all automatically. This is the shift everyone's talking about, from AI assistants to AI workers. Manus is leading that shift. Now, I need to be honest about the limitations. Manus can crash during high demand periods. It sometimes misunderstands complex requests. It may cut corners to finish tasks faster. But when you correct it, it learns and improves. These aren't deal breakers. They're growing pains of revolutionary technology. Every breakthrough tool has these issues at first. What matters is the core capability. Manus can think, plan, and execute complex tasks without human supervision. That's never existed before at this level. The competition is scrambling to catch up. Google's trying to build similar features. Microsoft is working on autonomous agents. But Manus is already live and working. Chinese companies have a huge advantage in building consumer products. They move fast, they iterate quickly, they focus on user experience. Manus proves this. While Western companies are debating safety and regulations, Chinese companies are shipping products that work. Manus got to market first and they're staying ahead. Here's something crazy. Manus scored higher than GPT-4 on the GAIA benchmark. This measures how well AI agents perform real-world tasks. Manus beat OpenAI's best model across all difficulty levels. That's not luck, that's superior engineering. The scheduled tasks feature changes the game completely. Imagine setting up 10 different monitoring tasks, one for competitor analysis, one for industry trends, one for content ideas, one for lead generation opportunities, one for partnership possibilities. Every morning, you wake up to 10 detailed reports, your coffee hasn't finished brewing, and you're already ahead of everyone in your market. This is how you scale without burning out. This is how you stay informed without drowning in information. This is how you compete with companies 10 times your size. The smartest entrepreneurs I know are already using AI agents for everything. Research, writing, analysis, monitoring, reporting. They're not working harder, they're working smarter. And that's exactly what you can get access to in the AI Money Lab. So we have step-by-step SOPs and processes for setting up AI automation like this. You'll find the link in the comments and description. We've got over 100 use cases showing you exactly how to implement these tools in your business. You get all the video notes from this training and tons of other resources. Plus, you'll join 20,000 other members who are already scaling with AI. The community alone is worth the price. But let's get back to the technical details of Manus. The wide research feature doesn't just split tasks between agents. Each agent is a complete Manus instance. That means each one has full capabilities. Traditional multi-agent systems give each agent a specific role. One agent codes, one researches, one writes. Manus gives every agent full capabilities. This creates much more flexible and powerful results. When you ask for research on 50 MBA programs, it doesn't assign 50 agents to research one program each. It deploys agents dynamically based on what's needed. Some agents might research multiple programs, others might focus on specific criteria across all programs. The system optimizes automatically. This is why the results are so much better than single agent systems. Now, for scheduled tasks, the automation possibilities are endless. You can monitor social media mentions of your brand, track when competitors publish new content, watch for new tools launching in your space, monitor job postings from companies you want to partner with. The key is being strategic about what you monitor. Don't just track everything, focus on information that directly impacts your business decisions. You could set up scheduled tasks for your agency to monitor SEO algorithm updates, new link building opportunities, competitor backlink changes, and industry news. This intelligence helps you serve clients better and stay ahead of changes. One scheduled task could save your team 5 hours per week. When you multiply that across multiple tasks, the time savings are massive. Here's something most people miss. This isn't just about efficiency, this is about quality. Human researchers get tired, they miss things, they have biases. AI agents work consistently at peak performance. Manus reads every article completely. It never skips sections due to fatigue. It analyzes data objectively. The quality of insights often exceeds what humans produce, and it's getting better fast. The team behind Manus is shipping updates constantly. They're adding new capabilities every month. This is just the beginning. If you want to get the AI training and step-by-step processes for implementing these tools, check out the AI Money Lab. The link is in the comments and description. This is where you'll learn to leverage AI like Manus for maximum business impact. Looking ahead, I predict Manus will add more specialized agents. Imagine agents specifically trained for marketing, sales, finance, operations, each one optimized for specific business functions but all working together. They're also likely to add integration with more tools. Right now, Manus works mainly through web browsing, but imagine if it could connect directly to your CRM, your analytics, your email platform. The automation possibilities would explode. The Chinese government is backing companies like Manus. They see AI agents as a strategic advantage. They're investing heavily in this technology. That means rapid development and innovation. Here, Manus is available globally, the interface is in English, the pricing is transparent, there are no hidden barriers to getting started. Here's my recommendation. Sign up for the free plan today. Set up one scheduled task to monitor something important to your business. See the quality of reports you get, then decide if you want to upgrade. The free plan gives you 300 daily credits and one scheduled task. That's enough to see the value. If it saves you even 2 hours per week, it's worth upgrading to get more capabilities. The basic plan is $19 per month for 2 scheduled tasks and more credits. The Plus plan is $39 per month for 3 scheduled tasks. The Pro plan is $199 per month for 10 scheduled tasks and early access to new features. For most businesses, the Plus plan is the sweet spot. 3 scheduled tasks can cover competitor monitoring, industry trends, and content opportunities. That's comprehensive intelligence for less than $40 per month. Compare that to hiring a research assistant. You'd pay $15 per hour minimum. Even part-time, that's $1,200 per month. Manus gives you better results for 3% of the cost. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below with your thoughts on Manus and what tasks you want to automate. The entrepreneurs who dominate the next decade will be the ones who master AI agents. They'll have 24/7 research teams. They'll never miss important trends. They'll make decisions based on complete information. Everyone else will be reacting to changes they discovered too late. Which group do you want to be in? If you're serious about scaling your business and want a free SEO strategy session to discuss how AI can help your specific situation, book a call using the link in the comments and description. We'll analyze your current setup and show you exactly how to implement AI tools like Manus for maximum impact. The future is already here. It's just not evenly distributed yet. Manus is your chance to get ahead of the curve. Don't wait. Start today. Set up your first scheduled task. Let Manus work while you sleep. Wake up tomorrow with intelligence your competitors don't have. That's how you win in the AI age.